All right, how's it going? I'm going to do some event photography tonight, so I just thought I'd talk you through what I take to most photography jobs, in all fairness, because I am an absolute nightmare for overpacking, but I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So I just thought I'd talk you through exactly what I take to pretty much every commercial photography job that I do. So main body, Canon R6 Mark II, with my 50mm 1.2 on there as well. This is going to be like dance floor, summer night, drinks outside, this event that I'm covering. So this 1.2 50mm will probably stay on the camera most of my night, and I'll probably shoot about 2.8. I like the shallow depth of field, so I could probably shoot every single job on this 50mm. I absolutely love it. I would put my mist filter on here, but I've lost it, so I can't do that. A spare body, so I've got a spare R6 Mark II, and on here is the 16-35, but I will use the 135 and probably nothing else. I probably won't use the 16-35, bit too wide for an event. I'd rather be a creep against the wall, through the windows, photographing people without them knowing. So 135 will probably be my second most used lens tonight, and along with the second R6. I've just bought this Godox V1 flash. I'll bounce that. I probably won't use off-camera flash here. That'll just be on-camera flash if needed. It's quite a cool venue with good lighting, atmospheric lighting, so this might not even get used, especially if I'm shooting at 2.8 on the 50mm. So batteries, I take as many batteries as I've got, not all fully charged. It's a little guessing game I like to play called, is this battery charged? Because this is my third job of the day today, I just don't know which batteries are charged. I'm in the office, in between jobs, recharging batteries, and I'll take a charger with me. So every battery that I've got comes with me, which is at the minute is 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 batteries for a 1.5 hour job. Probably overkill, but some are dead. Card holder, empty. I'll have to clear some cards. Again, I'm in between jobs. I've got cards full from the entire week, from last week. I don't wipe my cards until the job has been delivered. That's just a mentality type thing. I don't want to wipe a card until I know that job's been delivered, because then I've got a backup here, a backup on the cloud, a backup in another building, and then I've got a backup on the cards as well. So I do not wipe the cards, and that leaves me in a lot of shit sometimes because ChatGPT is driving the prices of cards up. I'll also take my harness so that I can have both cameras on me, just so I can switch between 50mm and 135, depending on what the moment calls for. Sometimes as well, if I'm using my flash, I'll have one set up ready to go with a flash, just in case somebody bothers me and asks for a group photo. At least I can just pop the flash on, do that, sell them a keyring, whatever they want, and then I'm back to my camera without flash. I like shooting without flash. I like it to be atmospheric. Some people want a group shot. You can't really get a big group shot at 2.8 in a dark venue, so that's why one camera, as the evening goes on, will be set up ready to go with the flash. So I've got the Godox trigger as well that I'll also take, just in case I do decide to use some off-camera flash. I'm not going to take a light stand or anything like that. I think it's a bit overkill for this job, but if I need to, I'll just put the Godox high up on a beam or on top of the bar or something, just to give an off-camera flash look, or even just hold it up, but I can't see me using that tonight. And the last thing that these guys want is some content as well, some Reels content. So I've got this small rig phone adapter that I'll just stick on my hot shoe, and I'll just capture some content as well whilst photographing the gig. And if the pictures are good, I'll also use it to create some Reels for myself, which is always a nice little bonus. But this is the best phone holder that I have bought by SmallRig. It's the best one that I've had. So if you are looking for one, I highly recommend this one. Not sponsored. I wish I was fucking sponsored. I hope that was interesting. I just thought it'd be nice for you to see what I take on every single commercial photography job that I do. And it's pretty much one kit. Sometimes it's a bit overkill, but I'd rather take too much and not need it. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.